So, what I've realized is that creating videos is actually meditative, at least for me, and especially if I'm doing them authentically, if I'm being honest, if I'm being true to what I feel and what I think. So, I just realized this now, like legit. I created a couple of videos before this just now, and after that, I realized that the stress I had, the mental and emotional tension or anxiety that I had, it was all unreal. It's kind of gone. It's disappeared all of a sudden. Right after I created a few videos just saying what I feel like. And it doesn't have to be this way. I've done this by talking to friends, talking to a therapist, going for a walk in the forest, listening to music. There's so many things that can be done. There are different ways to, reset yourself. But something about creating videos, I love this. I love creating videos, and I just love this process. I love the fact that it can be unfiltered, that it can be recorded, and I don't think I'm very concerned about being vulnerable with this kind of a video going out. In fact, it feels unburdening, if anything. You know, it feels freeing and sort of liberating, and it's good to spread that energy. It's good to be honest. It's good to be true. It's good to not have a filter. Doesn't mean that I need to cuss or be disrespectful, but it's just good to be authentic. It's good to not give a damn, right? And that's just something about this video creation process. If you've looked at my channel, the very first video I created, I've set myself up for a YouTube challenge to create a lot of videos, and I'm running quite behind on it. But for the last 15 years, I have been creating video after video after video. Not consistently. I've had a lot of breaks, and I've created videos in a lot of different niches, a lot of different topics, right? Sports, technology, money, etc., etc. Keeps going. A lot of videos. So I've always loved the process of creating videos. But today I realized that it's actually meditative, and that's probably why I love it. That's probably why I love creating videos. It doesn't have to be face-to-face videos. I love creating comic videos. I love creating sports videos. I love creating videos because it is therapeutic in its own way. It's meditative in its own way, and creating can is about giving. It is about sharing, but it can also be personally healing. It can also be a form of self-reflection, and it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool because you're setting yourself up to a standard. I know this video is going out there. I know this video is going to be on the internet, whether 5 people watch it or 50 people watch it, right? Or 500, who knows? But this video is going to be on the internet. So it's going to be out there for the public. So this is not stuff I'm keeping to myself. I'm well aware of that. And that can bring about an authenticity. Sometimes it can make you appear to be fake, but sometimes you can be authentic. And I think I enjoy keeping it that way. So I guess this video is just about this reflection on the video creation process and why it feels therapeutic and meditative. And I'll leave it at that.